Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use PS3 and PS4 controllers on your Windows 10. So only thing that you actually need to do is to download this SCPTOOLKit and that for Windows 10. And around here you are going to find multiple links, and you are going to download and install anyone that actually works for you. So there is no warranty of any kind from my side. I have used this SCP toolkit from SoundForge, but you could choose any other. It's completely on you. Then open your download folder and click on install. And because I already have this installed, I'm not going to modify anything. And when you have everything installed, you are going to search for SCP Toolkit driver installer. Open that with administrative privileges, and only thing that you have to do is to connect your PS3 or PS4 controller via cable, so it must be cable connected, and then check from these check boxes if you are using PS3 controller, and if you are using PS4, check only this one. So for PS3 this one, and then open this list and find your controller. And because I don't have any PS3 controller at the moment connected to my computer, there is no PS3 controller in this list. Now I'm going to connect my PS3 controller so you could see how that looks like. And the moment you connect your PS3 controller, you are going to get this bunch of notifications. Now I'm going to restart my SCP toolkit. And I'm going to select only this DualShock 3 driver. I'm going to open this list, and hopefully we are going to find our PS3 controller. So check this box and type install. That is going to take some time, but because I already have this installed, I'm not going to do that process once again. So this is really simple, really straightforward, and this is actually one wonderful application. And let me show you what we have in devices. No, better to type gamepads, devices and printers, and in here I have my two PS3 controllers connected. And as you see, my Windows 10 recognizes these controllers as Xbox 360 controllers. So that's all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!